This 2026 NuCamp Tab 400 Boondock is a teardrop trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used NuCamp is 18 feet 3 inches in length and features Sleeps 3, water heater, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, TV antenna, external shower, TV, self-contained, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, and 28 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this teardrop trailer RV features front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2026 NuCamp Tab 400 Boondock is 2,885 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.